Tired of manually transferring Facebook leads into Google Sheets and losing potential customers in the process? Let's automate that tedious task. This video will show you how to connect Facebook leads to Google Sheets using Zapier, making lead management a breeze. First, ensure you have a Facebook ads account with lead ads running. You'll need an active ad campaign generating leads. Next, create a Google Sheet with column headers that match the information you're collecting from your Facebook lead ad form, like name, email, phone number, etc. Now head over to Zapier and sign up for a free account, or log in if you already have one. Click on the Create Zap button. This is where the magic happens. Search for Facebook lead ads in the Trigger app search bar and select it. This will be the app that starts our automation. Choose New Lead as the trigger event. This means the Zap will run every time someone submits your Facebook lead ad form. Connect your Facebook account to Zapier. You might be prompted to grant Zapier access to your Facebook pages. Choose the specific Facebook page and lead ad form you want to connect. Zapier will now be able to see when new leads come in through that form. Click Test Trigger to make sure Zapier can successfully pull data from your Facebook lead ad form. This step is crucial. Now, let's set up the action. Search for Google Sheets in the Action app search bar and select it. Choose Create Spreadsheet Row as the action event. This will add a new row to your Google Sheet for each new lead. Connect your Google account to Zapier, granting it access to your Google Sheets. Select the Google Sheet and worksheet you created earlier. Now, map the fields from your Facebook lead ad form to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. For example, map the full name field from Facebook to the name column in Google Sheets. Click Test Action to send a test lead to your Google Sheet and make sure everything is working correctly. Finally, name your Zap something descriptive like Facebook leads to Google Sheets and turn it on. Congratulations! You've successfully automated your lead capture process. Now you can focus on nurturing those leads and closing more deals.